take it off.
Hello.
All right, show those awesome potatoes, you guys.
This is called the moose potato because it looks like a moose.
It does look like a moose.
This is a really, really big one.
Yep, those are nice potatoes.
Here's a deer. And here's a big red potato. Bigger than the ones you get at the store.
Yep. We're really happy with this potato harvest this year.
Most beautiful fall. The temperatures have been beautiful. Got a lot of projects going on today. You can see Dawn's up there getting the roof on the shed. And we are going to start harvesting our potatoes. So we're going to show you guys the difference. We did just the pile. I don't know what it's called. Dawn's going to have to, yeah, where you just cover it. And then we did some in some of the grow pots here. So we're just going to see what the difference is between those two and if any of them are better, bigger, nicer, all the above. Anyways, okay, we'll show you what we come up with.
Ooh, potatoes.
Green potatoes are
Potato, 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 potato. Where do we put the poisonous potatoes?
Just put them all in
They're
there
not
for now, and
poisonous.
we'll check them another day.
Are they poisonous if they're green?
Yes.
Whoa! Look at that one!
That one Lincoln has, Mom. I know. We'll improve for next year.
Look at that funky one. It's like, it's a dog! It's a, it's a moose.
It does.
It's a moose.
This is by far the best potato harvest we've ever gotten. The ones that were under the straw and not buried in dirt, what were actually by far the biggest of the potatoes. The ones that we experimented with and like buried with some dirt and then covered with straw and just hilled were the smaller ones, probably more like this size. That was like the biggest that we got out of there. The straw ones, I mean, those are like softball size. Those are really, honestly, the best potatoes we've ever
We got
gotten.
one like this big before.
Yeah, it was huge. So we'll show you some of the biggest ones as we dig into there. Right now we're going to lay them out on the tarp in one layer so that they can dry and the skin will cure. That hardens the skin and makes it so they store better over winter. So we're going to do that now. I'm not going to dump them out just because if I dump them, that would risk damaging the skin or pulling the skin off, and that'll make it so they don't store as well. So I'm going to take them out by hand. Yep. We're really happy with this potato harvest this year. The kind of more tiny ones, those ones were some of the ones that we grew in the buckets. So we probably won't do those buckets again. They were just kind of small potatoes. But as far as the Ruth Stout method, we're really happy with it. These are the biggest potatoes and nicest potatoes we've ever grown.
They're over there.
So we'll leave these to cure and then we'll store them in a week or two.
A week or two?